Yeah, blessings of people. Big up on yourself and you don't know the thing go. See? Well, right now people, you don't know Newlink is. You don't know so people always reach out to Newlink with a bag of story, with a bag of news. You understand? With several different things. So them always reach out to Newlink. See? I will tell anybody say if you have no story, no life story or anything you don't know, so you can reach out to Newlink if you want to put it out there for the people I'm here or go on. So my people, right about now, Virgin, right? They're Jamaica right now. But him reach out to Newlink and say, Newlink, I don't know some more you talk about that thing because a thing will reach me. And to some things I'm see you put out from the other day, I really want you put out this for me. And this will reach me in my life. So him tell me him story, people. I sit down, me and my team will review it and we decide see how I go on. Newlink it fit for broadcast to the people them. So we're going to share it along with the people them. See? Well, the viewers and the subscribers, this brother you know, right? As I'm telling him they are Jamaican, but he was living in the United States, meaning him they are United States for a little while. Seeing work and everything, having place and everything over there. Seeing the apartment. Well, I have him girlfriend at Jamaica, who him love. Seeing? So I decide say, yo, I go on, I bring him girlfriend from Jamaica over the United States. So eventually, I bring her up. The girl come out the United States. She was good, you know what I mean? Him said she was good. She, you know what I mean? Work with the flow. Then all of a sudden, the girl start keep some friends now. Meaning have some friends that the man even knew about. And you know what I mean? Friends she start keep these friends, it's like the girl start change up and it's a different attitude than when she was in Jamaica, than when she just come. She just change up differently. So him say arguments start develop between the two of them and you know what I mean, and only for something something. And you know what I mean, shortly after that she even get pregnant. So talk start mixing now we like she left him one thing and she can get a different man and put the picnic name in and only for something something them talk they start make. Eventually she move out. You understand the viewers and my subscribers? Yes, she move out. So the virgin say right now him love her in people. So him and the mother have a really good relationship. So him get the mother and him talk to the mother and thing, I don't know, and him ask about the mother and you know what I mean, the mother work out something which the girl come back. But deep inside him thinks that the girl come back for good. Well, him say at first the girl come back and the girl even a look and I see the mistake them what she make and I say, yo, our friend them do this and friend in the United States do this and enough woman do this and if enough. You understand people? Well, the girl have a plan so the man there know. So him say next argument develop. And when him look this time people, the girl go away. You understand? She jumped through a window and cut out with the belly, you know, with the pregnant belly. I don't know how she do it like she a superwoman or something, but she go through a window and go through and come back. Well, people, man say him did in a house. Good. When him look, cause him lock up him gate and thing with him lock. When him look, a one heap of police him see in a yard. Plenty police to the woman police them take off the lock, cut off the lock and come in. Some say the police them come with a paper, right? Them put handcuff on him and come with a paper, same for sign because the girl come and they order like the girl to move out or things them. So him say it was his thing, but the game order so the girl to move out and so him say the girl move out everything the people. You understand? She move out everything out of the house. And the thing she left in the house was a sofa bed. And him say anything go and build pan, right? So she move out. She didn't put she was pregnant at the time, so eventually she find a man and put the picnic name in the man name because that's what she did want eventually. Cause I don't know where I'm with these some people. I don't know where I'm. See? So him say him born it out for a week, then he move come back to Jamaica because he could live in the detention, he could live in the vibes and everything while going over there because him stress out and everything. Him family they are Jamaica, so it best him can come back to Jamaica. They run him family them have somebody close so he can talk to what they right around him instead of to be over there in the misery and everything. So him say about couple of months after get news of the girl, the baby, the man who the girl put the picnic in her name, gunman kill him off her. You understand? I don't know why me like some bad boy maybe and money enough people and check it out in the car maybe she go link with some bad boy everything. So eventually she have to find herself back at Jamaica because I don't know that she depend on her big belly and everything and everything. Well, that's where you close the story and tell me people because I tell me what come at Jamaica if him still there with her or anything like that. I don't know those parts. But all I'm saying is boy, this is a sticky story when I look into it. It's really sticky. Zine. And If you know say a man go there, we are help you to reach over there so Zine and you turn back, which we see happen several different times. We see happen with in a situation where woman help man go foreign and man this them same way. So you know what I mean? It's not the first time and it's not the second time, but these things happen. But when you only want people to do is to just be cautionate at these things. Be cautionate. Don't know say they will help your loved ones to reach over there but they can't change. So always prepare yourself for anything. You know what I mean? Always prepare yourself for anything. Isn't it? Because people art is really different now. Enough people nowadays the love what them have inside is not the real love. Saying yes, roaster, big up yourself. It's not the real love like we that expect. The love when they have inside most time is the vanity love. So when the vanity thing now work, the next man can come in and push on the money, push on the hype lifestyle upon them fall for them chop there. Zine? Because imagine you say now, you is the original father of the pit and the woman take the pit and put in our next man name. Zine, which we even know about them stuff, the people or people that take people, but I'm telling them, I do the blog according to what the brother said. I understand because me and my team will sit down and think, I know story get people and when I publish it because to it make no sense. So the team said fit, so we will just talk about it with viewers and my subscribers. And you know what I mean? The brother, him say, him sound stressed same way people. And I say, can't talk to him sound stressed same way. So all I can say is, anyone of my people out there, Zine, leave in a comment on that section. Want to think about this thing because we know so many people go through the same thing several times and it's not a good look. Some of you are my subscribers, I don't know a thing, man. Enough love, enough respect and peace. And you know, big up on yourself, people. Big up. Attack.